I am going to make a fast pizza tonight using the Red Baron pizza. It's just plain cheese pizzas, but I'm going to add some things to them. I looked in my fridge and I found some leftover ground beef, a few Little Smokies beef sausages, some cheese, one tomato that I've sliced up, and some pieces of onion that I chopped up, and one lonely piece of provolone. I also have a few pieces of basil from some minestrone that I was making today, and I'm just gonna put those on. I can also shake a little bit of basil if I want, some dried basil. I'm gonna go ahead and put the ground beef on between the two. Put the little smokies on between the two. Cut them in little coins. Put the tomato, I've tried to seed the tomatoes so that they wouldn't be as wet. Put some onion on. If you don't like onion, don't put it on. I've also got some canned olives that I could put on this if I wanted to. You could put marinated artichoke hearts. I do have some pepperoncini, maybe I'll put that on. Okay, these are banana pepper rings, and not everyone's a fan, so I'll just put on a few. Okay, those look good. I'm going to put those in for 20 minutes. And here's the finished pizzas.